Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do the measurement on the negative pressure and the gas pressure. Negative pressure and gas pressure. And thanks to Jill, she asked for an up close, so that's what we're going to do today. If you look on my left, we have a P25. It's custom color, white, any colors that you want. The beauty on this machine is that all the measurements you do can be done on the HMI screen right here. If you want more information, check the links down here for this machine. So now let's go to the Series 2, and I'm going to show you with the manometer step by step what needs to be done. So the first thing is you grab your manometer, something like this. You can buy doesn't have to be exactly this one. What you do want to make sure is that it has millibars and to be able to check this. So the first thing you want to do is zero your manometer. Make sure you're under millibars right here, and then 2 turns. Why 2 turns? Because if you unscrew all the way, 1, 2. If you unscrew all the way, this screw can fall off. You don't want that. And then you're going to attach your manometer to the rubber hose, and it should read -2. The reason there's no reading here, the machine's not plugged in, but you'll see. This has to be done ambient temperature. After you heat up your machine, it's going to change, and that's okay. So now let me remove this, and when you remove it, make sure you tighten this screw. So we're gonna check the gas pressure now. Same thing. 1, 2, and you're going to plug in inches of water columns. Make sure it's on inches of water columns right here. And this should be around, ideally you want 14 inches of water column. That will prevent any lagging on your roasting. So once you get that, remove it, and do not forget to tighten it. And this is how you check the negative pressure and the gas pressure. I want to thank Jill for the question, and I want to thank everybody else for watching.